If the battery charging is stuck at 80% on your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, you need to go to Settings. Over here we need to scroll down to Battery, and then in Battery we can choose, for example, Overcharge Protection, which is the main reason why the battery doesn't want to charge over 80%, because this option specifically limits to 80%. So if you don't want to use overcharge protection, if you prefer to have 100% of a battery, then of course we can turn it off. Sometimes the reason why you may have 80% can also be due to the optimized charging being enabled, because over here we can read that this feature uses AI to learn your charging patterns, then limits charging to 80%. About 1 hour before you are expected to unplug, your phone will charge to 200%. So this may happen, especially when you just started using optimized charging option, because the phone didn't learn yet how to properly expect you to unplug the phone. So one of these two options can be the reason why the battery is stuck at 80% when you are charging it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.